Hello, good morning all of you. Welcome back to our online classes. Our first lesson is finished, okay? And their question and answer also we given it. So today we start the next lesson, second lesson, and the name of the lesson is the teeth. What? The teeth. The teeth. See, in the second lesson we have to learn about the teeth. So in this lesson we learn about the types of the teeth. Okay, you know the function of the teeth, but in this lesson we have to detail study about the types of the teeth, their structure and their functions. Okay, and also we studied about the parts of the tooth. Okay, parts of the tooth. And one more point is included in it, how you taking the care of a teeth. Okay, so this in this lesson we have learned all these points. So let us learn it one by one. So see, first of all give me the answer of some questions. How many teeth do you have? Do you know how many teeth? कितने teeth होते हैं हमें? Yeah, 32. Okay, we have a 32 teeth. So how do we use our teeth? हम कैसे उसका यूज करते हैं? टीथ का यूज क्या है? यस, वी यूज द टीथ फॉर चूइंग द फूड. ओके, हम खाना खाते हैं. या सो वी यूज इट फॉर चूइंग पर्पस. ओके, देन also teeth we make the face properly, means it give the shape to our face also. आपने बूढ़े लोग देखे हैं, उनको टीथ नहीं रहते, उसका फेस का जो स्ट्रक्चर से वो कैसे चेंज होता है शेप. ओके, जो शेप्स हो कैसा चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, सो वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप अवर टीथ क्लीन एंड हेल्थी. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू डू? यस, वी डू द brush daily. We do the brush daily. Okay, so let us learn about that. So first we see about the teeth. When we laugh, okay, when we laugh our teeth become visible. हम जब हंसते हैं, स्माइल करते हैं, हमारे टीथ दिखते हैं. Yes, so when we laugh the teeth is visible. So they are present in our mouth. कहाँ पे रहते हैं टीथ? In our mouth. And this is the jaw. It is the upper jaw and it is the lower jaw. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Lower jaw कहते हैं. And ऊपर के साइड के upper jaws कहते हैं. Okay, so our teeth are present in a jaw and they grow from the jaw bones. हमारी हेयर बोन्स रहते हैं जॉस के, वहां से उसकी ग्रोथ होती है. Okay, so all teeth are not same size. उसकी साइज भी सेम नहीं रहती है, हर एक टीथ की साइज डिफरेंट रहती है. ओके, सो देयर साइज एंड शेप also different. And teeth help us in chewing the food properly. ऐसा है ना, देखो जो बूढ़े लोग रहते हैं वो खाना खाते हैं, उनको दांत नहीं रहे तो क्या होता है? यस, वो क्या कहते हैं, ऐसे ही निगल जाते हैं. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत निगल तो उसके वजह से क्या होता है? प्रॉपर डाइजेशन नहीं होता. इसकी वजह से डॉक्टर्स उन्हें आर्टिफिशियल टीथ देते हैं. ओके, so for that you should care taking of our teeth. Okay, so now after that we learn about the types of teeth. Types of teeth, हमें उसके टाइप स्टडी करने. ओके, टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ. See, I read the para carefully, and you listen it carefully. Teeth are classified into different types. So on the basis of life of teeth, they are of two types: temporary and permanent teeth. So on the basis of structure and functions, they are of four types: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. See, on the basis of life of teeth, they are classified into two types: life of teeth. Life of teeth. On the basis of, these are classified in the two types, which temporary teeth, okay, and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth and permanent teeth, okay. So on the basis of life of teeth, these are classified. One is temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth. Temporary teeth means that's called milk teeth. It is called milk teeth. Why? Because after 6 years, when you are 6 year old, then your teeth starts to fall, okay. And that's what is called temporary teeth. वो गिर जाते हैं और उसकी जगह फिर से नए teeth आते हैं, okay. Again the new teeth are grow. So for that is called temporary teeth. And permanent teeth means, yeah, permanent teeth, it is not fall. When it is a fall one time, then again new teeth not grow on that place, okay. So see, we studied it. Temporary teeth. When a baby is born, it has no teeth, okay. It has no teeth. The first tooth comes out when he is 6 months old. When you observe that, when baby is born, so baby have no one teeth in his mouth, okay. But when they are 6 month old, then what happen? The teeth starts to grow begin, okay. This starts, उसके बाद जो teeth होते हैं उनको आते हैं 6 month के होने के बाद, okay. So ऐसे उसमें कितने मिल्क टीथ रहते हैं? 20. कितने रहते हैं? 20 teeth. In baby there is a 20 teeth. 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. So that's like the temporary teeth have 20 teeth, okay. Then permanent teeth. Permanent teeth, when child is around 6 year old, child is around 6 year old, then their milk teeth begin to fall. Milk teeth begin to fall. जब बच्चा 6 year old का होता है तब उसके teeth क्या होते हैं? गिर जाते हैं, okay. And उसके बाद क्या होता है? There no new teeth are grown on that place and that is called permanent teeth. तो new teeth आते हैं वहाँ पे, okay. And these are how many? 32. How many? 32 teeth. 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 teeth in the lower jaw, okay. That's like when in adult these are 32 teeth. So do you understood this type, temporary teeth and permanent teeth? Okay. So this is based on life of teeth. It is classified on life of teeth. So now we see the types of teeth on the basis of their structure. So on the basis of their shapes and size, these are classified into 4 types: incisor, okay, then canine, then premolar, and molar. See, on the basis of shape and size, मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि हमारे जो टीथ के शेप्स और साइज कैसे रहते हैं, डिफरेंट रहते हैं. ओके, दे आर द डिफरेंट इन शेप एंड साइज एंड आल्सो देयर फंक्शंस, मींस देयर वर्क इज आल्सो डिफरेंट. ओके, so when you observe it carefully, so you can understand that. See how our teeth are different in the functions. So on the basis of shape and size, there are four types: incisors, canine, premolar, and molar. So see, let us learn it one by one. See, incisor, see their pronunciation is incisor, incisor, incisor. So incisor, they are the sets of teeth, front teeth. Okay, this front teeth is called the incisors, and these are in a four. Okay, there are, sorry, 8 incisors. So out of that, 4 at upper jaw and 4 at lower jaw. See, total 8 incisors. Okay, total 8 incisors in the mouth. 4 कहाँ पे रहते हैं? अपर जॉज में. ये जो अपर साइड्स के जॉ है ना, यहाँ पे. एंड 4 at the lower jaw. So total 8 incisors are present in the set of teeth. So can you tell what the function, what the work of that front teeth? बता सकते हैं आप? यस, देखो हम फ्रंट टीथ किसके यूज करते हैं? फॉर कटिंग. देखो, अगर एप्पल खाना है, इफ यू वांट टू ईट द एप्पल, देन व्हाट, वी फर्स्ट कट इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रंट टीथ. ओके, मींस इट हेल्प्स टू कटिंग एंड बाइटिंग. It helps to cutting and biting. This function of the incisor. This is the function of incisor. This is used for cutting and biting. Second, canines. Okay. Second is the canine. Canine, these are the sharp and pointed teeth. These are the sharp and pointed teeth. वो कैसे रहते हैं? Sharp रहते हैं और pointed रहते हैं. And these are the total 4 in number. How many? 4. So out of that, 2 at upper side and 2 at lower side. Okay. So total 4 canines in our mouth. 2 at upper jaw and 2 at lower jaw. So do you know what the function of the canine? जैसे कि incisors, the function of the incisors to cut and biting. And what the function of canines? Yes, see, they are used for tearing. Tear means what? फाड़ना. जैसे कि देखो, कुछ तो भी अगर हमें कुछ ऐसा निकालना है, फाड़ना है, तो हम जनरली एनिमल्स में, इन एनिमल्स, देखो टाइगर्स एंड लॉयंस have a sharp pointed teeth. Okay, and that is the canine. So that teeth is used to tear the flesh of meat. Okay, flesh of the animals. So that's why it is helpful for it. So canine is generally used for tearing the food. It is generally used for tearing the food. Okay, then premolar. Premolar, next to the canine, there are the flat and broad teeth. There are flat and broad teeth and called premolar. This is called premolar. से जो flat और broad रहते teeth, ये जो साइड पे रहते हैं, उसको क्या कहते हैं? premolar. And these are generally used for to chew and crush. See, when you eating the food, okay, when means you cut it first, then after that we chew यहाँ पे साइड पे लेके हम उसको चबाते हैं, वी चू द फूड, ओके, देन वी swallow it. So premolar is used to crush and chewing the food, okay, is used for crush and chewing the food. And these are total 8, okay, premolar also 8. So these 4 at upper and 4 at lower side, okay. So these are total 8, 4 at upper jaw and 4 at lower jaw. And premolar is used for chewing and crushing the food. Then last, molar. Molar is the generally flat, it is so flat, and its broader molar are found after premolars. As compared to premolar, molar are broader, okay, वो broad रहते हैं थोड़े से, and they are 12 in numbers. How many? 12, okay, how many? 12, 6 and 6, 6 at upper and 6 at lower jaw. So these are used for grinding and chewing. These are used for grinding and chewing. उसका पर्पस क्या है, उसका यूज क्या है, chewing और grind करने के लिए, okay. So that's why our diet is helpful for the digestion. See, count it total. 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. How many totals? 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. Can you count it? Can you count it? How many totals? I write here because at the bottom, so it's difficult to see. See, 8 incisor, okay. Then 4 canine. Then 8 premolar and 12 molar. So can you tell me how many totals? Yeah, see, these are the total 32. These are total 32. So that's mean 32 teeth are present in our mouth. So 32 means how? 16 lower jaws में है और 16 upper jaws में है, okay. So can you understood that topic? Do you understood that topic? If you have any difficult, okay, if you have any confusion, you can ask me. So these are the types of the teeth, okay. Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. I again repeat it function. Incisor is used to cut and bite the food. Canine is used for tearing the food. Premolar is used to chewing the food, okay, crush and chewing the food. And molar is used to grinding the food, okay. So that's like there are the 32 teeth in a mouth, okay. So next point is also interesting. This is the parts of the tooth, okay, parts of the tooth. So ये हम next period में study करेंगे, okay. So till that you revise it, okay, and watch the video carefully. Thank you.